Bryce, what do you think?
Kill bull.
Kill the bull, baby. We glassed up a toad and he just went to bed. We got about a mile approach. We're hoping to get about a 450, 500 yard shot across the canyon. We'll see. Hopefully he stays bedded.
Blowing down an avalanche chute. Hopefully there's no slides going on today. So much snow. It kind of compensates for the steepness. Yep, and that is way steep. Jesus. Fucking steep. There's some cliffs. Don't want to be falling off those. Jesus. Oh shit. I'm taking the best route. Just run real quick. Just run real quick. Oh yeah. We're in what you call the Nar Zone. I almost fell off a fucking cliff. Brennan, he's so excited to get over there and get at that ball. He's just fucking running. There's just cliffs and shit. There's snow down my ass crack.
Just made our descent from heaven. You want to zap that range a couple more times?
662. I might get set up on your gun though.
You ready?
Yeah. Hit him. Got him. He's down.
It's a big bull, dude.
Oh yeah, he's down. Feet up.
Look, yeah. We did it.
Oh yeah.
I need to eat. My forearms are cramping so hard. Oh my god.
Oh my god. He's down and he's huge, Brennan. Yeah, he's big.
Well, boys, we hammered that bull straight across the canyon here. He's big and dead, and we're gonna head over. I'll probably drop across, hit this timber, and then come all the way up and over to where he's dead, right there.
Yeah.
Hello?
I just killed that bull. we got across the canyon from him at 650 and put a few in him.
So is he fucking down?
Oh, he's dead.
It's funny you said that because 2 seconds ago I told your dad, I was like, they're probably getting after it now, and he says, nah, they probably killed that fucker now. And you called.
Yeah, I'm looking at him through the scope right now, dude. He's fucking big. God damn.
Biggie?
He's big. Yep, he's large. It's gonna be a bitch to get over there. 2.5 hours to kill him, but we've been laying here in the fucking snow for about 45 minutes, so.
Did you find it? Did you?
He was bedded right
Did
where.
you see over there? Or
Oh yeah. No, as soon as we popped up over, I spotted him, and then he was just laying down. He got up and started feeding, and then I just waited for a good lane, and we got him on film.
Packed up, ready to go. Bag full of meat.
Should be